Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 26 of our 30 Days of Yoga series for 2021. And today is Tree Pose Tuesday. This is our last Tree Pose Tuesday for the month. And today we're going to work on a little bit of a twist to Tree Pose. So we're going to do it in a little bit of a different way. So all you'll need today is yourself and your mat. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start in table pose. So just being mindful that the shoulders are stacked over the wrists and the hips are stacked over the knees. You can have the wrists about shoulder width apart and the knees hip width apart. And we'll just start with 3 breaths here. So continue to press down through the palms. Let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. This time we're going to add a little bit of cat and cow in there. So let's inhale as we lower the belly down towards the mat. Chest pulls forward and gazes forward, coming into cow pose. And then exhale as you start to curl the back up towards the ceiling, pressing down through the hands. Bring your chin to your chest, coming into cat pose. Inhale, coming back to cow pose. Exhale, curling the back, cat pose. Last time, inhale and exhale. And then coming back to table pose. So we're gonna lift that right knee off of the mat and then bring it out to the side and hold it there. Breathe. And then start to walk the hands forward a little like you're coming into a plank. Keep that knee out. Hold there. And then coming back to our tree pose, not tree pose, our table pose. And then release, bringing that knee down. Take a breath here, inhale. And exhale. This time we're lifting that left knee and then bringing it out to the left. Breathe here. Walk the hands forward like you're coming to a plank. Keep that left knee out. Hold for a breath. And then coming back to our table pose and bringing that knee in. Inhale here and exhale. And then we're going to set up for a downward facing dog. So tucking those toes under, lifting the knees and the hips up and back. Hold for a breath. And then bring that right leg up behind you. Shift forward as you bring the knee in. Hold for a breath. And then back out. Bring the foot down. Lower to your knees. Back into our table pose. Take a breath here. And then coming back to our downward facing dog. Tucking the toes under, lifting the hips up and back. This time lifting the left leg up. Shifting forward, bringing the left knee in. Hold for a breath. And back out. Left foot comes down. Lower to the knees. Inhale. And exhale. Walk the hands back as you sit back on the heels. Inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale, right hand comes down. Left arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left hand down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, reaching the arms forward like you're coming into a child's pose. And then coming back to your table. We're coming back to downward facing dog. This time you're gonna lift that right leg up. Shift forward like you're coming to a plank. Bring the knee out to the side and place the foot on the shin. Coming into a little bit of a tree pose in your plank. And then lower down to the mat. So once you get down to the mat, hands can be beside your chest. Top of the left foot is down. And then you'll feel that the inner right thigh is on the mat. So we're still in our tree pose. 3 rounds of Cobra here. Let's inhale, lifting the chest. You can come up as far as you like. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Last time, inhale. Exhale down. And then we're going to stay in our tree pose. So think about having that right foot glued to the left shin. And then we're going to come up into downward facing dog. So you're going to tuck those left toes under. We're pressing up through plank and back to downward facing dog. Hold here for a breath. And then release the right leg behind you. Shift forward with the leg lifted. And then come down to the knees. We'll do that all again on the other side. So starting in our table pose. Inhale. Come into cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then coming back. We're tucking the toes under, coming back to downward facing dog. This time lifting the left leg. Shifting forward, coming into your tree pose on this side. Hold for a breath. So left foot comes to the right shin. And then coming down to the mat. So this time the left inner thigh is down on the mat. Left foot is to the right shin. And you can have your hands beside your chest. Inhale. Coming to your Cobra, your back bend. You can come up as far as you want. Exhale down. Inhale, lifting. Exhale down. One more time, inhale. And exhale. All right, tuck those right toes under. We're gonna do the same thing here, just pretending that that left foot is glued to the right shin, and we're gonna come into downward facing dog. So let's press up through plank, back to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. And then release, bringing that left leg up behind you. Shifting forward, coming down to your knees. Walk the hands back, sit on the heels. Inhale, reaching the arms out and up. Exhale, left arm down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, right arm down, left arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, reaching the arms forward like we're coming into a child's pose. Take a full breath. And then coming back to our table, we're coming back to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. Lift the left leg up behind you. And then we're going to shift forward, bring the knee in, and step forward. You can plant the back foot down, and we're just going to walk the hands to the middle of the mat, turning that left foot in line with the right foot. Coming to a wide forward fold. Inhale as you lift the chest and the head. Exhale, reaching the head down towards the mat. Bring the hands to your hips. And then inhale as you reach the upper body up as we stand. Exhale once you get to the top. And then we'll start to heel toe the feet in here, bringing them together. And we're going to practice our regular tree pose here. So standing in mountain pose, we're going to shift our weight to the left. My left leg, your right leg. And then lifting the right knee. Hold for a breath. And then bringing the right knee out to the right. And you can choose to have that right foot on the inside of the left shin or the inner left thigh. And you can have your hands how you want, whatever helps you balance better. I like to have my hands out to the side. You may choose to have them up or at your heart center. And breathe. And then lifting that leg up off of the foot, off of the leg. Bringing the knee to face forward. And release. Release the arms. Shake it out. And then moving to the other side. So this time weight goes into my right leg, your left. You're going to lift the left knee. You may notice that this side may be a little better than the other, maybe a little bit worse. Either way, that is fine. We're just making that observation about ourselves and how we experience our tree pose. And then bring the left knee out to the side. Again, choosing the option for your arms that works for you. And then we're bringing that left foot or the right foot onto the shin, or maybe you choose to have it at the inner thigh. Just depends on your own preference. Breathe. And then lifting the knee off, or lifting the foot off of the shin. Bring in the left knee to face forward. And release. Shake it out. And we're just going to come back to our mountain pose here. So lifting your shoulders up towards your ears, and then down and back. Relax them there. Think about stacking your ears over your shoulders. And then we'll end here with 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today for Tree Pose Tuesday, and I hope you were able to find a little bit of balance and cultivate a little bit of strength. And I hope to see you tomorrow for day number 27 of our 30 days of yoga journey.